A like new experience. Backed by a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. This renewed premium product is shipped and sold by Amazon and has been certified by Amazon to work and look like new. With at least 90% battery life, it comes in deluxe Amazon branded packaging and is backed by a 1-year warranty and technical support. About this item, unlocked tested for battery health and guaranteed to come with a battery that exceeds 90% of original capacity. Inspected and guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage, which is not noticeable when the device is held at arm's length. Successfully passed a full diagnostic test which ensures like new functionality and removal of any prior user personal information. Includes a brand new generic charging cable that is certified MFI, made for iPhone, and a brand new generic wall plug that is all certified for performance and safety. Headphones not included. Backed by the same 1-year satisfaction guarantee as brand new Apple products. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.